Small living room makeover ideas that look expensive in 2026. A small living room doesn't have to feel cramped or ordinary. In 2026, modern interior trends are proving that even the tiniest spaces can look elegant, luxurious, and incredibly inviting without spending a fortune. The secret is not about buying expensive furniture, it's about smart styling, layered textures, balanced lighting, and thoughtful details that instantly elevate the atmosphere. In today's video, we'll explore stunning small living room makeover ideas that create a high-end designer look while keeping your space functional and cozy. Luxury interiors in 2026 are embracing soft neutrals more than ever. Shades like warm beige, creamy white, soft taupe, and muted gray make small living rooms feel larger, brighter, and more sophisticated. Instead of using too many bold colors, focus on layering different neutral tones to create depth and calmness. A neutral foundation also allows your furniture and decor pieces to stand out naturally while maintaining a timeless aesthetic that never feels overwhelming. One of the easiest ways to make a living room look expensive is by installing long curtains that stretch from ceiling to floor. This simple design trick creates the illusion of taller ceilings and a more spacious room. Lightweight linen curtains or soft textured fabrics are especially popular in 2026 because they allow natural light to flow beautifully throughout the space. Even in a compact room, elegant curtains instantly add softness, movement, and a luxurious hotel-inspired vibe. Lighting plays a huge role in making a small living room feel warm and upscale. Instead of relying on one harsh ceiling light, modern homes now combine multiple light sources like table lamps, wall sconces, LED strips, and warm floor lamps. Layered lighting creates depth and highlights different corners of the room, making the entire space feel more curated and relaxing. Warm lighting also enhances textures and gives the room a cozy glow during the evening. You don't need expensive decor everywhere to achieve a luxury look. In fact, many modern designers recommend focusing on one strong statement piece. This could be a sculptural coffee table, an oversized mirror, a modern chandelier, or a textured accent chair. In a small living room, one eye-catching item becomes the visual centerpiece and gives the entire space a more intentional and refined appearance without overcrowding the room. Luxury spaces rarely feel crowded. Instead of filling shelves with too many decorations, focus on adding rich textures that make the room feel layered and elegant. Boucle cushions, woven rugs, natural wood, linen fabrics, ceramic vases, and soft throws all help create a sophisticated atmosphere. Mixing textures adds visual interest while keeping the overall design clean and minimal. In 2026, textured simplicity is becoming one of the biggest interior trends for small homes. Mirrors remain one of the oldest but most effective interior design tricks. A large mirror placed opposite a window reflects natural light and instantly makes a small room feel bigger and brighter. Modern living rooms in 2026 often use oversized organic-shaped mirrors with slim frames to create a more artistic and contemporary look. Besides improving brightness, mirrors also add elegance and help the room feel more open and airy. Bulky furniture can quickly make a small living room feel crowded. That's why modern interiors are shifting toward low-profile sofas, slim coffee tables, and minimalist furniture with clean lines. Furniture with visible legs also creates a lighter appearance because it allows more floor space to be seen. Choosing compact furniture with multifunctional storage helps maximize every inch of the room while still maintaining a luxurious and uncluttered aesthetic. Adding greenery is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to upgrade any living room. In 2026, indoor plants continue to dominate luxury interiors because they bring freshness, softness, and natural beauty into the home. Olive trees, rubber plants, and simple leafy greens work especially well in modern spaces. Pairing greenery with neutral decor creates a calm environment that feels both expensive and welcoming at the same time. Open shelving can either look elegant or messy depending on how it's styled. The key is to keep things balanced and intentional. Instead of overcrowding shelves, combine a few stacked books, ceramic objects, candles, and small plants with enough empty space between them. Luxury styling is all about restraint. Carefully curated shelves create a clean designer-inspired look while still adding personality to the room. Even the smallest living room can include a cozy luxury corner. A comfortable accent chair paired with a small side table, warm lamp, and soft throw blanket can completely transform an unused corner into a stylish retreat. These little moments make the space feel more personalized and thoughtfully designed. In modern interiors, creating comfort is just as important as creating beauty. A luxurious living room isn't defined by its size, it's defined by how the space makes you feel. With the right colors, textures, lighting, and styling choices, even a small living room can feel elegant, spacious, and beautifully modern in 2026. The best part is that many of these makeover ideas are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate in your own home. Sometimes, a few intentional changes are all it takes to transform an ordinary room into a stunning luxury-inspired space.